everyone. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. I'm Farzan Afrin Tisha, community leader and co-founder AWS User Group Bangladesh. I welcome you to AWS Community Day Bangladesh 2020 virtual edition. AWS Community Day is a flagship annual developer or technical event of AWS communities and user group globally. User group consists of a set of people who share similar interests, goals, or concerns. The members therefore shares their regular concerns through the community meetups or virtual group. Ideally, the member of the user group live in the same geographical area so that they can get together in person. A user group can be dedicated to technology or corporations. Since today's event is a community event, therefore today's main priority is to make event inclusive and harassment-free. Hence, the community day will be conducted by strictly following the code of conduct. Here are some of this, what are important and what should be the behavior, and what are the consequences that might take place, and for that, who you need to contact. So let me introduce AWS community briefly. There are over 400 AWS focus groups around the globe. And the common objective of these user groups and communities are to have peer-to-peer learning, share the best practices, pitfalls, upcoming services and features, troubleshooting, and to discuss innovative use cases together learn AWS together with all the members. And these user groups and communities are not only confined to working professionals, but they are also they do also welcome all like-minded people who are interested to learn and share the knowledge about AWS. We have members from different age groups and backgrounds, including university students, undergraduates, job seekers, organizations who are searching for potential employees, developers, DevOps professionals, solution architect, technical architects, business analysts, CEO, co-founders, evangelists, CXOs like CEOs, CTOs, COOs, and CFOs. We also have audience from different scale of businesses, from startups, SMEs to enterprises. AWS Community Bangladesh, known as AWS User Group Bangladesh, and it started in June 2017. When we started, there were only 50 members in the Facebook group in the first month of our journey. But now, AWS User Group Bangladesh has near about 3,000 members and hosting regular monthly meetups on every month arrival. In recent times, we have started a student ambassador program in community to get connect with different universities to share the knowledge of AWS among the university students in more wider manner. Due to pandemic, virtual meetup became very common nowadays. But when we started back in 2017, we were the first one to organize the meetup virtually. And I still remember that day, we only had 10 attendees who were the true enthusiasts, who were truly wanted to learn about AWS. They joined the webinar, and we have organized after that many physical meetups or virtual meetups and one-on-one conversation among enthusiasts. This year, we get to host our first AWS Community Day in Bangladesh. All the speakers for today's event are handpicked by Bangladeshi AWS community leaders and advisors. AWS leaders and members get to meet people from other cities and countries. They interact with them to share and learn from their experience. Apart from our regular monthly meetups, we're also planning to host several other events in the coming days, where we would focus to our women members, and we will also prioritize our student groups along with the professionals. This year, we have planned our community day in such a manner where we will be talking about disruptions, opportunities, technology, and AWS altogether. Now, let me run you through the agenda of the day quickly. This year, we have arranged the session in such a manner so that we can ensure a well-invested time for each one of you who are attending today's event. And you get to get ample opportunities and you will get excited to learn more about AWS and their offerings. So we'll start our ride with a very inspiring keynote from 10:30 a.m. with none other than our own Mohammad Mahdiuzzaman Bhai. leader, and solution architect, Amazon Web Services, where he will be discussing how cloud computing provides accelerated journey when disruption is mandatory, for example, in situation like COVID or international unrest or disaster. And he will elaborate how we re-innovate ourselves and our organizations using cloud technology tools and capabilities. Then we have a true leader and mentor for the startup industry in Bangladesh, Ms. Tina Zabin from Startup Bangladesh Limited, for a lightning session. She will shed some light about how Bangladesh has potentially grown as a nation to give birth of the, So she will be shedding some light about how Bangladesh has potentially grown as a nation to give birth to billion-dollar startups, and where most of them are technology-driven, and how AWS is playing a big role and contributing to these startups with credits and supports. Ms. Tina Zabin has an extensive experience with investment and venture capital organizations, so she is a very key person to go for startups, apart from the cloud supports that we can provide you guys. Thank you. Then we have brilliant Topu Newaz Bhai, Senior Vice President, Shohoj. She is one of the largest ride-hailers in Bangladesh, and Director Celis, who will be talking about building ride-sharing application with AWS Managed Services. And with that, Topu Bhai will start our first technical session for today. Then we have our second lightning session with Shubho Al Farooq Bhai, who will share his experience of getting AWS credits for his startup Jantrik, and how you can also get free credits up to 1 million USD from AWS that you will also get to know from this session. Moving forward, we have our third lightning session with Mr. MJ Firdos, COO, RainStation 23, who has extensive knowledge about banking industry in Bangladesh, and he will be sharing with us how we can embrace disruption in banking industry in Bangladesh and how hybrid cloud is gaining popularity and becoming mainstream in banking sector, AWS solution for fintech in Bangladesh, and so on. Our second technical session for the day is by Mayank Pandey. He is the founder of Knowledge India. Mayank will be talking about what makes cloud so user-friendly, compliant, and agile. In this session, we discuss the advantage of handling your infrastructure as code, or ISC, and how you can achieve the same using AWS native tools. He will show a working demo and learn strategy to standardize the infrastructure in your organization. Now, it's a very wonderful panel discussion that we have arranged for all of the professionals and students. And to join in this session, you will get our panelists who will be guiding you regarding career advice for AWS. And to discuss this topic, we have with us founder, Bangladesh Innovation Forum, former director BASIS, and crew chief at Space Innovation Camp, Ariful Hassan Opu Bhai. And to take the discussion forward with him, Mohammad Mahdiur Zaman Bhai will get into the panel discussion. So both professionals and students are highly requested to join this session. Now, please remember the lunch break we will be utilizing with contest, and the winners will get exciting vouchers from AWS. I will be elaborating about the contest winners prizes a bit later, but then after the lunch break, we have an enticing session with Matt Bollinger, Senior Solution Architect, Amazon Web Service. Matt will enlighten us with his session on how to train a robot using reinforcement learning. In this session, Matt will illustrate the use of AWS RoboMaker to build and deploy a simulation environment for regenerating simulated training data used for reinforcement learning. We will set the RL mode to learn how to navigate the robot out of a maze. This is a simple demonstration that can be extended into use cases like worker assistants in a warehouse, or an entertainment robot following a consumer in their home. After math session, we have another very interesting session with Julie Elkins, AWS training architect in Cloud Guru. Julie will speak about getting started with serverless and Lambda. In her talk, she will be talking about how to get started with serverless computing and Lambda to build and run applications without the need for provisioning and managing servers. We will cover Lambda fundamentals along with other AWS services that can be built, uh, that we can use to build our serverless application with Lambda. Then we have a short prayer break from 3:45 to 4 p.m. In between, the contest will be running as usual. After the last break for the event, we have our final session and keynote speech from one of our co-founders of AWS User Group Bangladesh, and I would say a true cloud enthusiast, Mohammad Mizanur Rahman Bhai. Mizan Bhai will demonstrate how easily we can build advanced conversational bots using Amazon Lex to increase contact center productivity, automate simple tasks, and drive operational efficiencies across the enterprise. Following the session, Mizan Bhai will put an end to today's event with a closing keynote. So now let me talk about what are the quizzes and contests you can be, what are the prizes you'd be getting from the quizzes and contest. For the session contest, only the first name on the leaderboard will be eligible for prize. The first prize is $20 of AWS credit. For the lunch break contest, only the top 3 names leaderboards will be eligible for prizes. First prize is $100 AWS credit. Second prize is $60 AWS credit. Third prize is $40 of AWS credits. And we'll be emailing you all the vouchers, whoever win the contest. So AWS Community Day Bangladesh couldn't have been possible without their organizers, right? And we have a short prayer break from 3:45 to 4, but don't miss out to look at the organizers who are bringing a success to this event. So let me share you the AWS Community Day Bangladesh 2020 organizing team. So in the core team, we have 3 people: Farzan Afrin Tisha, myself, Samuel Haq Pratik, and Sulaiman Kobi Shorab. Then our advisors, wonderful advisors, Mohammad Mizanur Rahman Bhai, Mohammad Mahdiu Zaman Bhai. Our supporters, Razibur Rahman, Famiza Ramina Hussain, Ayman Wasif. And our AWS Educate students, Obi Paul, Ni Mohammed Joy. And we have a wonderful list of student ambassadors who are Mr. Arif Hassan, Shamima Binte Jalil, Sadman Saqib Pradhan, Saad Al Arab, Asif Saad, Tanzibur Rahman. Then MD Ziaul Haq Shubho, Tanzila Noor, MD Ashraf Bhuiya, Sudip Kumar Sen Gupta, MD Shahriyar Al Mustaqim Mitul, and MD Redwanul Masul. Thank you guys for being with us. Few housekeeping rules that we need to make sure that we follow for our sessions. And for that, please remember all the sessions will be recorded, whichever sessions take place today. And the slides or recorded session and resources will be shared with you people after the event and via email. And there will be a Q&A session after every talk where speakers will try to answer 3 to 5 of your questions instantly. In case they cannot answer your questions, please stay calm. We will be answering those questions offline. If you have any other questions, drop them in the comment section so that we can note it down and get back to you instantly or offline. The live chat is meant for technical questions and discussions. Please do not engage with any unnecessary messages. So that was a few housekeeping rules that I had to share with you. And most importantly, throughout the journey of AWS User Group Bangladesh, we have experienced enormous support from all the communities around the world. So we have seen India helping us big time. This event wouldn't be possible if Suman, Rashmi, or Rohini wouldn't have helped us or guide us. So we surely like to thank them from the very start. We also would like to mention few names before starting our day, because we are truly humble and grateful that Sai Kiran Ganaji, Chandra Balani, Chandra Shekhar. So the people who worked for Bangladesh territory, they actually guided us from the very beginning, and also the NRPs who are working in AWS like Mahadi Bhai. We have been very fortunate to have their support so that we could grow our community of the community that we have today. It's a 3,000 people team. It's a 3,000 people family, and we are still growing and learning from each other. So every day we get to experience new questions, new queries from our members. Whoever are working professionals, they are instantly engaging with the students who are doing queries. So it's a very wonderful bond that we are seeing. And for that reason, being such a young user group from Bangladesh, we could arrange today's event, and hopefully the event will be a successful one. I'm really looking forward to today's event. In any case, if you guys have any feedback, negative or positive, we are very open about it. Please do share your feedback and join AWS User Group Bangladesh so that we can all together take this community to the next level. And before saying goodbye and welcoming Mohammad Mahdiuzzaman Bhai for the opening keynote to start the day with innovation and disruption, I would like to also say that I'm really excited for today's event, since this is a very first AWS Community Day for us. So there will be many mistakes, and for that, I want to say that if you guys are feeling that there are scope of improvements, don't forget to share your feedbacks so that we can continuously learn and improve, and together we can build a community day which can show tomorrow's heroes. Like we can be proud to be the community who can I who people who would be idealizes us in the coming days. So with this short welcome speech, I would like to end here, and I'd like to request Mohammad Mahdiuzzaman Bhai, leader and solution architect, Amazon Web Service, for his opening keynote. Thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone. I'm really excited for today's event. I hope everybody will learn and enjoy all the sessions. Thank you.